Now, it is the time of year that you may be thinking about spring cleaning your home, but if you're feeling run down or your skin's looking dull, it may be a great time to spring clean your body. Sharlene Bennett from Health 2000's Good Health range of products is here with some great advice. Good morning.
Good morning, Mal.
So we are talking about spring cleaning our body. If you're feeling that feeling of lethargy, is that the only way that we know that we might need a bit of an internal clean out?
No, there are other common signs. So signs such as a bit of a sluggish digestion or sluggish metabolism. It does result in low energy, but common signs that we may feel is bloating, poor digestion, poor skin, common experiences that you may notice. Other health conditions that are a bit more ongoing can affect the healthy detoxification in the body. Things like stress, genetics, hormones, environmental influences, dietary and lifestyle choices can all influence how these organs function to help with healthy detoxification. So our liver, our kidneys, our skin and our bowel all require optimal function to help support a healthy detoxification in the body. And ultimately, if we're supporting those in good health, we're supporting them to be our overall well-being, supporting our vitality, supporting our metabolism and healthy detoxification.
Crikey, it's a lot to think about. So you recommend this product that's available at Health 2000?
Yes. So this product here, the Body Cleanse, is a 2-part pack. So within that we have part 1 of a 3-step program that Good Health is advocating for a spring cleanse for healthy detoxification support. And part 2 is elimination, healthy elimination in the body.
Okay, so tell me about the multi-cleanse.
So the multi-cleanse is designed to be for liver support. So again, touching on that healthy detoxification support in the body. So multi-cleanse contains herbs such as milk thistle, burdock, and chlorella. And those types of herbs are known and well known for helping support liver function in the body. Chlorella is highly nutritive, as well as being a great internal deodorant and a cleanser, if you like, in its action.
And also Good Health's multi-fibre is also in the pack?
Yes, so multi-fibre is the part 2. So part 2 is elimination, where we have that multi-cleanse is our part 1, detox. Part 2 is the multi-fibre, so it's our elimination support. So for that healthy bowel support, where we support the liver, we must support the bowel, the removal of toxins and byproducts. So multi-fibre contains ingredients such as pectin, again, some chlorella, but high fibres, high nutrient fibres that help move the bowel in a healthy way to support that healthy detoxification.
Do you need to alter your diet at all while you're doing a detox?
Well, it helps. It helps to do that. So some people won't, but ultimately to do that is more supportive and more sustainable. If you're going to the trouble of, putting motivation into doing the capsules or a detoxification program, supporting alongside diet would definitely be recommended. Yeah.
So what difference will we notice after the detox?
So typically really lovely signs you'd notice after a detox. Sometimes our signs during the detox aren't always so pleasant. And you can always slow the dosage so it suits you. Some people do really well with intense dosage and want that for a detoxification. Other people like to be slow and steady. So it just depends on what suits the individual, really. Either is an option.
Okay, so once I get through all of that, then how am I going to feel?
Yeah, so your noticeable differences are going to be things like a pickup in energy, mood. So when you do a detoxification, this is happening all the time in the body, but when we support that healthy detoxification in the body, we notice things like mood, energy. Those are noticeable. Maybe better digestion. All those are all things that typically we all would like to have on a daily basis. And also, we may notice things like more of an appetite, more energy to work out, those sort of beneficial effects that can follow on from doing a detoxification support or a program that supports that in the body.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Sharlene. And Sharlene has Good Health Total Body Cleanse, Detox and Garcinia for everyone in the audience today. And it is available at Health 2000. Just ask their friendly staff to point you in the right direction.